Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to upload a new ABB file to the Play Store. So how to upload a valid app bundle. So now the reason why we're uploading a new app bundle for the Dollars app here is not because we did an update. Basically, if you watched the last video, you realize that due to the policy issue, we had to, do those things. They are more like one of them was to upload a new bundle to the Play Store, and the second one was to wait for like 10 days or 15 days before we request for a review again of the issue. Okay, so now we're going to come here. This is the dashboard for the app. Then we're going to go to the release overview. Yeah. Now remember, you're not going to be uploading the APK file. Recently, Google has stopped taking the APK file. You're going to need the .aab file. So now we're going to go to release dashboard here. So we're looking for where we are going to drag our new ABB file and install. Okay, so these are, I think, crash logs and ANR that people are experiencing: input dispatching timeout, illegal state exception, out of bounds exception, no focus window, and so on and so forth. We're going to deal with that later. So, but for now, let's go ahead and click here, create a new release. So now in the new release, the revision number is supposed to have been updated. So all we just need to do is to drag, bring the bundle here. So let me see, let me go grab the bundle. The bundle should be somewhere here. Okay, this is it. Okay, it's the bundle here. So I think we're here. So bring it here. I just hope that I updated the revision number so there's not going to be a conflict between the old number and the latest one now. So let's see how that goes. It's still uploading. Okay, let's just give it a moment before. So the last version number was 4, which was 1.0.4. This one is supposed to be 5 for there not to be any conflict. But let's see if I've actually done that. It's taking time, but the network is good, so I don't know. So now once it's completely uploaded and everything is fine, I'm going to go ahead to take the release name, right, to identify. So this was to aviate, to deal with the policy issues on, okay, that's internal. Okay, so you said one app bundle uploaded, so I think it's uploaded. Okay, and the revision here is 5, so I think I did that, so everything is perfect. So now to deal with the policy issues on AdMob, then the second one is to enter or paste your release note for. So now this is what people are going to see publicly. So let user know what's in your release, enter release note for each language within the language stack. So it's important to, not the same thing here. Okay, few performance fixes and general enhancements on the app features and functionality. So that's that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next here. Okay, so now everything, and I'm going to click on save. Then after that, the next thing will be to send for review. Your change has been saved. To send it to Google for review, go to publishing overview. So let's go to overview. Okay, so now this is it. We just need to click the button here, send one change for review. So these changes will be sent to Google for review. Reviews are typically completed within 7 days, but may take longer. So just click send changes for review. Okay, so as you can see, the app has been sent for review. Now, if you go back to your dashboard, click on all apps, then you go back, you're going to see that the state of the app has gone to under review. So you see, it's in review. So once they review the app and everything is fine, the app will be published. Okay, so guys, that will be all for now on this video, and as we keep progressing, I will update you guys until the point where the restriction is lifted off the app and the app starts showing out again. So that will be all for now. I expect to see you in the next video. Bye for now.